How to set Google Digital Assistant voice speech output to none or full on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on apps. In here, tap on choose default apps, and then we scroll down and tap on digital assistant app. Make sure the digital assistant app has been set to Google. If not, go in here and set it to Google. Then tap on OK, then tap on back. Next, tap on the settings icon right next to the Google Digital Assistant app, and then tap on speech output. And here you can choose none or full. So if you select none, then it will not give out any speech output. Otherwise, you can select full. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.